Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a Clubhouse club. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. To share a club, first you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. Before moving forward, you have to remember that you can only share clubs which you are a member of, and you will see those clubs at the bottom of your profile. Now tap on a club icon and go to that club's page. This is the club's page, and you will see all the information of the club here. Now to share the club, tap on three dots on top right corner and then tap on Share Club. You can copy the link to this club. You can also share it via AirDrop, Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, Messenger, and more. And that's how you can share a Clubhouse club with your friends. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.